Welcome to Crawls on RC. Today we are continuing the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon upgrade series that is sponsored by Night Customs. Last time we installed a grill from Night Customs and the RIPP intercooler on it. This time we've got some cool scale accessories for it that will just give it that a little bit more scale look. Looks a little bit more realistic and cool. Alright, so here's the first part. It is a hood mounted high lift jack specifically made for the Jeep Rubicon to mount right to the hinges on the hood. We've got some Rotopax fuel tanks, packs, whatever. Right now I've got them mounted both together, so I was playing around with it. Comes with a lot of different mounting options, it's just really neat. And last but not least, this. Now I had James from Night Custom specifically make this for me, so that I can just mount the Rotopax and nothing else. Now he's got one that's similar, and on top it has a roof rack, or a spare tire rack that goes on top of the spare tire. But this one I just want to have just the Rotopax. So the first thing you want to do is actually mount the Rotopack to the spare tire mount. And you need just a small screw. I would do a coarse screw. This is one that I found. It's a Phillips. You can use whatever you want. Just take this, just start it into the hole a little bit. Take your Rotopax, take these two little nubbins, push those right into the area on the spare tire mount. Just tighten that thing right up. Don't want to do it too tight or you will strip it. And it's just plastic, so it doesn't take that much to strip these. Now, take this, set it aside. Pull your spare tire off. Grab your 2mm driver. And then take your mount, line it up with the hole in the back. Just reinstall that thing. Now he does also offer the 4-gallon ones that are attached. You can also take 2 of these and mount them together. It comes with little brackets. See right here, these, they will clamp it together. Want to use some glue, but you can mismatch them. You can do red and white, red and blue, red and yellow, red and black, just to give that different scale look that you're going for. And then it also has this option, this piece. You need this for the 4-gallon ones that mounts on the side, and then you mount these top and bottom. You take the spare tire, slide that right on. Alright, that's done. Easiest mod you'll do for a nice wow factor. I mean, that's cool. Alright, now for the next one. put the chassis aside and bring out the body. Take this, it has these pieces. Now you can paint them to match. You can do black or silver. However, for now, since I have a cool part coming, I'm going to leave those red because I haven't decided what color I want to paint that additional part. For right now, we're just going to install it. Now, on the back, there's these two little holes. Things like this, I take my Axial hobby blade and if you look closely on these, you'll notice these top bolts on the hinges line up almost perfectly with the holes on this. The Axial hobby knife is just perfect for putting little holes like this in the lag sign. Acts just like a drill, piece of cake. I take the other one, looks like this screw or this sticker is up a little bit higher. So I'm just gonna come down a teeny bit on that bolt. Now it would be probably a little quicker, easier with a drill or a body reamer, but I'm lazy, my drill is upstairs, and I don't have a body reamer, so I'm using these really little coarse screws. Forgive me, I don't know the size of these. However, they're the ones that hold on the Wraith body panels and the Bomber body panels. So, gives you a little idea. What's really cool, I noticed this on the high lift jack. On this mounting point, if you look on the other side, it has a hole that goes all the way through. That way, if your screw's just a teeny bit longer or you clamp it down a little bit too hard, it's not going to actually push any plastic out or give you a really, obscene bubble like sometimes you see. So I thought that was really cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start these screws on the other side. And this is a 1.5 millimeter driver. Start these under here. Don't even need your driver. Now, make sure you put it the right way. The bottom of the jack is going to be on the driver's side. Alright, and voila! There it is. Man, easy install. Doesn't take time at all, but it looks really cool. I mean, whenever you see a vehicle driving down the street with one of these jacks like mounted on the top or with the Jeeps on the hoods, dang, I'll bet he takes that off-road all the time. Or it's just there for show to go hang out in the mall, right? There you have it. High lift jack, and on the back, got your roto packs. Quick and easy. Probably take you, 15 minutes to do the whole thing. Not too bad. Now I will put a link for these down below so that you can get your own. And with these roto packs, they have kind of a universal mount for them so that you can mount them pretty much on any flat surface you want. On the side of the truck, back of the Jeep, man, you can mount them on the doors for kind of like a military look or whatever.